Hi everyone, the word of the day is sanguine, S-A-N-G-U-I-N-E. Sanguine, when used as an adjective, means very optimistic and cheerful. It also means having a healthy reddish or blood red color both as an adjective and a noun. Consider the following sentence. Although the company began to recover from its fall, Sharon did not feel too sanguine about its future. Other similar meaning words are buoyant, cheery, and upbeat. So that's the word for today, sanguine. Happy learning, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.